is Sachin Sehgal and I am the business head for the Northern region. I've been working with Cosmos since last 25 years. The working culture at Cosmos is very good. It's very positive. Your ideas are accepted, and whenever some decisions are taken, you're being a part of it. I joined Cosmos as a trainee sales engineer, and I have grown in Cosmos from the sales engineer to the person handling the complete northern region business. Working environment in Cosmos is very positive. I have a team of 30 people, and the majority of the people are more than 10 years working with us. We have great leader, our director Mr. Nagesh. He has a great vision. 10 years back with the Cosmos is, he had shown us the vision is what Cosmos is going to be, and we have done it. In future also, we are going to grow very fast. I think we are the fastest growing machine tool company in India today. We are the number one exporter